The 48th Kokborok Language Day was celebrated at the Khowai Padmabil RD Block on Monday. Present were the Padmabil RD Block Vice Chairman Prasanta Debbarma alongside Vice Chairman Surajit Debbarma and other officials. In celebration of Kokborok Language Day, the Padmabil RD Block organized a rally that commenced at the Kumari Madhuti Rupasri School and concluded in front of the Padmabil RD Block office. Following the rally, a formal program was held. The event was inaugurated by the Padmabil RD Block BSc Chairman Prasanta Debbarma and Vice Chairman Surajit Debbarma with the traditional lighting of a candle.
19th January 2026 Padmabil Block Padmabil IS joto line department joto look amchaini lokurogno tuya koi boroichi sar that means 48 celebration of Kokborok Deno tuya koi chung Kumari Madhuti Rupasri School plus Padmabil IS ni nokla hoite Padmabil Block ni ground no chung thailai tongo te omo haiklai no chung chini mani Kokborok field Broichi sarno tuya koi chini school ni chicken charai rok tai kabang ma chini TRLM theke shuru khlai kabang ma social worker theke shuru khlai tini chung hayung ni chini kok mani kok no tei bu kusubre omotlang na nibagi chingre le khlai tongo omo haikena tini Padmabil block bo songsagai tongo naidi 1979 তিনি হাই সালনো যে চিনি ত্রিপুরা রাজ্য টোটাল Kokborok no সরকারি গভর্নমেন্ট ni কোনো রিকগনাইজ হক ni go sejak ya tong mani abo 1979 ni 19 তারিখ জানুয়ারি ও Kokborok no ত্রিপুরা সরকার ni সরকারি ভাষা হিসাবে রিকগনাইজ খাইনা হারকা aboni bagai tabuk sung Kokborok sistemoni jorao kabangma Kokborok by some chini kusuk remo pore like has from like tarpore chini kok by kok lob kok khal kok buma kabangma sui like thalai ka saiman ka development ungin tong hai phano particular basano kok thaino development like langan ibade je script hoita script no tu ya koi tabuk su jara srai unglai manya kok kinto ang saimawoni note side ta basa commission ungman ya gulo maximum roman speed no Kokborok sena ni babe roman speed no Kokborok sena ni babe chai to blai tongo ebong emon ki 70% above no roman speed by Kokborok sikai sakok nai aboni septhap tongnai nei salai tongo tei abono angur support khai chungbo kono support khai roman speed no dinango in future chini Kokborok no sikane jotoni better nei chung khatong.
Reporter Biplov from Khowai, Chini Khorang.